Welcome to a quick guide on how to let your group admin pin messages on Telegram on PC with the latest update. First, open the Telegram app and navigate to the group where you want to adjust permissions. Once you're inside, look toward the top of the screen and click the three horizontal lines. This opens the group menu with several options. From there, select Manage Group to access the administrative tools. In the next screen, tap on Administrators to view the list of current admins and their specific rights. You'll see each administrator listed with the permissions you can customize. Choose the admin you want to modify by tapping their name. This opens their permission settings. Look for the pin messages option in the list of capabilities. Enable pin messages for that admin by turning the switch on or selecting the appropriate checkbox depending on your Telegram version. After enabling pin messages, confirm the change by saving or applying the new settings. You should see a confirmation that the admin now has the ability to pin messages in the group. It's a good idea to run a quick test by having that admin pin a message to ensure everything works as expected. If you ever need to adjust again, you can return to the same administrators section to tweak permissions for any other admins. Remember, pinning messages helps highlight important announcements, rules, or updates so everyone in the group stays informed. That's all there is to it.